Hi, I'm Oli, and in this AWS tutorial, I will show you how to create an EC2 instance. So let's get started. So go to the EC2 service. Here click on the instances on the side, and here click on the launch instances button. In here you need to put the name for your instance. Below that you could select the image, so we will keep the Amazon Linux as default. You could select the instance type. Again, we will keep the default T2 micro. Below that you could select the key pair. You could select the existing one, or you could create a new one to be able to access your instance via SSH. So for this tutorial, we will create the new one. We will choose the RSI and PEM format, and let's click on create. Now that key pair was downloaded to our computer. For network settings, you could keep the default VPC, or you could choose the custom one. If you want to be able to access your instance from the internet, be sure to select the public subnet and enable auto-assign public IP. For security group, we could create a new security group or select the existing one. For this purpose, we will create a new security group with SSH port 22 open to the internet. And for the storage, the default is 8 GB, so we could update that with 15 GB for the storage, and now we could launch the instance. So now the instance is being created, and now you could see that the instance is in pending state, and if you refresh, it's now in a running state. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.